Now that you've installed your ActiveInspire software and the driver, it is time to start using the software. The first thing you need to do is go to your Go menu and down to Applications. In your Applications folder you will find a folder called Promethean. Inside the Promethean folder will be an Inspire folder, and that's where you will find the Inspire application. This is where you will create presentations with the ActiveInspire software. For easy access, I recommend taking this software, clicking and dragging, holding and dragging it to your dock. That way it is always readily available to you. Go ahead and click on it and open it. The first time it opens, it's going to ask for a username, an organization, and a serial number. The username and organization can be anything you want. The serial number should be the serial number from the back of the board that you purchased. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to accept the terms and use a personal edition. I'm not going to type in a serial number. The difference is you have access to more support features if you do have a serial number. One nice thing about ActiveInspire software is that it automatically checks for updates. I highly recommend leaving automatic updates enabled and updating as often as possible. I'm going to cancel for now so I can just move on with using the software. Once you have the software open, it's very similar to PowerPoint or other presentation softwares. You can insert new pages, so you can have a couple of different pages, and ideally you will be at the front of the room using one of the interactive pens and actually drawing on the board, just like you would a chalkboard or a dry erase board. Over on the right you have your different colors, different tools. You have a highlight tool, you have text tools, erasers, all kinds of things. It also comes with built-in resources and backgrounds. I will do another screencast later on which will show you how to install additional resources. But when you click on the resource library, you can see what came downloaded already on your with your software. So let's just say you're looking for a background. You can click on backgrounds and you can just click and it will add a background to your presentation. Like I said, this is very similar to PowerPoint. It is just interactive when you're standing at the board. I encourage everybody who's watching this to just take some time, play around with it a little bit, go up to your Insert menu, Add Pages, click on your Resource button, Resource Browser here, see what came already installed. I will do another lesson to show you how to install more. Play around with your different colors, different text tools, the erasers, things like that, and just kind of have fun with it and see what you can create.